Welcome to a 5-minute Croak review for our trail maintenance service project with Save Our Canyons. Since 1972, Save Our Canyons has been protecting the Wasatch, the range that provides the watershed for over 500,000 people in the Salt Lake Valley. Their mission is protecting the beauty and wildness of these mountains. The Wasatch Stewardship Program is where the stewardship becomes literal. Volunteers showing up to do the maintenance that keeps these places open and accessible. We partnered with them last year, and we're partnering with them again alongside the U.S. Forest Service. Robin Wall Kimmerer argues in Braiding Sweetgrass that we're in relationship with the natural world every time we use it, and that relationship carries obligation. Her honorable harvest encourages us to take what you need and give back in kind. Aldo Leopold arrived at a similar worldview in A Sand County Almanac. He wrote, "A thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community. Not the human community, the whole thing, including the soil, the water, and the path that disappears into the hillside with a few seasons of neglect." From that frame, maintaining a trail isn't charity. It's membership in a community that includes the land. The Kind Minds Club's founding conviction is that philosophy and kindness reinforce each other. Philosophy without kindness can be clever and cold. Kindness without philosophy can be warm but shallow. A disposition without direction, and vice versa. We've tried to live out our conviction through what we do together, making food, sitting in ice baths, sharing vulnerably, by simply showing up. The recipients of that kindness have been, almost always, each other. In this Croak, the recipient of the kindness is not a person per se, but still an entity with which we have a deep relationship. The Wasatch itself has given this club a lot: recreation, beauty, a setting for lots of meaningful conversations. This Croak is, in the most practical sense, a day to give something back to the place that's provided so much to us. Research on kindness consistently finds that performing acts of kindness, not just feeling kind or thinking about it, but doing it, is one of the strongest predictors of well-being. A University of Chicago study found that acts of kindness predicted 7 distinct types of well-being, including sense of purpose and reduced anxiety. Studies on outdoor volunteering specifically find that physical, goal-oriented service in nature alongside other people improves mood, sharpens thinking, and strengthens social bonds. The research and philosophy are pointing at the same thing. Doing this is good for the land, and it turns out it's good for the person doing it too. You show up, you clear debris, you manage drainage, you keep the path a path. Then you leave. The next person to be there doesn't know your name. The mountain doesn't offer acknowledgement. The work is real, and the care it represents is also real. And neither of them needed an audience when they happened. See you at the Croak.